I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're your dependable siding experts from our family-owned business, DryTech Exteriors, located right here in Dayton, Ohio. Exploring the realm of siding in Dayton involves comprehending its significance, the advantages it offers, the correct implementation procedures, and the crucial choice of selecting the right siding company.
Let's start with the basics. The right siding can dramatically boost your exterior's appearance. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, you'll want to choose the house siding option that best suits your home's style and meets your needs for maintenance and durability.
Siding protects your home. It protects it against harsh weather conditions like snow, rain, strong winds, and other extreme elements. An adequately installed siding protects your interior from the cold weather outside during winter. It also retains the heat produced in your home, keeping you warm and comfortable. With a failing siding, water and moisture enter your home's frame, causing mold growth, wood rot, and even interior damage.
The installation of siding is a specialized process that requires an experienced professional for the best results. Proper installation ensures the siding's longevity and performance. What happens if your home's new siding is installed incorrectly or unprofessionally? You could face leaks, voided material warranties, damage to your property, and costly repairs. It's vital to choose a trusted siding company with experienced professionals who are local, licensed and insured, and follow industry's best practices.
At DryTech Exteriors, our distinction in the siding industry is easily recognized. Our team of professionals is dedicated to providing unparalleled siding services. By employing only premium materials and adhering to industry standards, we ensure precise and reliable installation. Our commitment extends to offering warranties, assuring the safeguarding of your investment, and providing you peace of mind.
For years, DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and we were awarded the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award.
We have even earned the Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status, putting us in the top 1% of contractors in the country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. DryTech Exteriors has also received more 5-star reviews than any other Dayton roofing company.
Siding is a reliable and cost-effective solution for your home. When done right by a professional team like ours, it can enhance the comfort, protection, and value of your property. Don't take a risk with your siding. Choose Dayton's DryTech Exteriors for all your exterior needs. Contact our family business today for a free consultation.